Hi everyone, I am Prince Nigam and welcome back to NeuralNexus, simplifying AI for everyone. Imagine coding without typing code. Imagine if you could just describe the vibe of what you want and the AI writes the software for you. Well, that future is here. Today we are diving into something called VibeCoding, a new way of building app just by having conversation. So what exactly is VibeCoding? VibeCoding is programming by expressing your intent, not by writing syntax. Instead of typing every line of HTML, Python, or JavaScript, you simply tell the AI the vibe of what you want. Something like, give me a clean, modern dashboard with pastel colors and soft shadows. And boom, the AI generates the code. You refine it by talking to AI. Make the corners rounder, add a fade in animation, use a database. Every change is conversational. This changes everything. Coding used to be about syntax, curly braces, semicolon, indentation errors. But now we are shifting from syntax to semantics, from instruction to intent, and from writing code to supervising code. Instead of being the one typing every line, you become the director, the designer, the architect. The AI becomes your junior developer. One that's fast, consistent, and never get tired. Let me show you how insane is this. Okay, we'll explore vibe coding with Google AI Studio. Let's click on VibeCode Gen AI apps. Here is the first prompt. Build a responsive login page with a blue-purple gradient, soft glow button, and Apple-like typography. Let's click on build. Watch what happens. It created the login page with our vibes. Next, backend. Generate clean Node.js Express routes for users, posts, and comment using controller service architecture. You can see on the left, it generating the codes. So, if you see the structure, we have code API, routes, controller, and services. And now something fun. Make the UI feel like Apple and Notion. Minimal, glassy, soft glow, ultra clean typography. And see the comparison. Okay, now let's build a tiny app using only vibe coding. Start with the vibe. I want a cute, minimal daily mood tracker with pastel colors. 3 modes: happy, neutral, and sad. Let's click on build. Okay, so you can see the error found on the left. So model is remediating itself. Okay, it created a simple mood tracker app with 3 modes: happy, neutral, and sad. Now let's add functionality. We'll give a prompt, add JavaScript to save the selected mood in local storage and show the history below. Let's send this. Okay, and it's done with the enhancement. It adds the functionality to it. And now the vibe part. Let's give a prompt. Add soft shadows, gentle animation, and a smooth transition. And you can see the model is adding the vibe to the application. It's adding those animations and smooth transition effects. And finally, let's combine everything into one clean deployable index.html. You can see on the left, the model is combining all the different files into one. And that's it. A fully working app with UI, logic, storage, and all built in minutes using conversation. If you want to see what's the code behind it, you can click on the code option and you can see all the code is generated by the AI automatically. Also, we have an option to save the copy of the application. We can see the different version of the application, download the app, the project mood tracker zip file is being downloaded. You can see the different files are created under this folder. Also, we have an option for save to GitHub and deploy it to Google Cloud. VibeCoding isn't just for small demos. It's transforming real workflows. Web development, mobile UI with Flutter or React Native, automation workflows, backend API, game visuals, AI agent and tools, dashboard prototypes, email plus document automation and more. Now it's not perfect. VibeCoding struggles with huge multi-file code bases, low-level memory management, robotics, real-time systems, vague statement like make it cool, unclear architecture, deep domain-specific optimization. The more precise your vibe, the better the output. Here is the short version. Vibe coding lets you build software by talking to the AI. You describe the vibe, the style, the behavior, the intention, and the AI writes and refines the code with you. It turns developer into architect. It turns ideas into apps in minutes. It's fast, intuitive, and insanely fun. It won't replace developer. It upgrades them. This is the future of coding. Code by conversation. Build by vibes. If you want more videos on AI tools, vibe coding, Copilot, Gemini, and building AI agent, subscribe to NeuralNexus. Let's outskill ourselves together.